Morning. It's Monday, it's the 30th of May and it is 11 AM and I have got a date to build a chair. What could possibly go wrong? Well, hello again and welcome back to my channel. Yes, the Karl Woodcraft Build a Chair Challenge 2022, and it is 2 days before it's actually due in, but I've got a hospital appointment tomorrow, so I have got a day to build a chair, to film it and to edit it. That's going to be fun. Yeah, I've had a little look around for some design ideas off something called the internet, like that's going to catch on. So I've got a piece of 8x2, which I'm going to kind of do some leg type things. I've got loads of reclaimed stuff, so I'm going to get the planer thicknesser going, try and make some slats. It's largely going to be as I go along. No fancy camera angles, it's going to be a lot of just in the background filming. Wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Morning. Apologies about the background noise. It's absolutely lashing it down outside. Right, ran out of steam, ran out of time yesterday. Full on day, really enjoyed it. Me new trend router table with the T14. Oh, loving that. Absolutely brilliant. Managed to get the slats and stuff done on it, and it's got it's a bit dark in it, so it's a lovely, lovely finish. And you know when you feel completely in control and safe, really good that. Got the side bits done, treated everything. This is untreated wood, but I'm just going to keep going at it with this stuff. It was the cheapest they had in the timber yard, actually. It was almost half the price of some of the other stuff. Don't know if anyone's ever tried it before, let me know. So it's assembly this morning. I've got an appointment this afternoon, so I've got to get this done. I've got to get it assembled. If I've got time, I'm going to look at trying to maybe fit an arm to it. I'll have to get some more timber out and get that through the planer thicknesser. But hey, enough chit chat, and let's see how we get on. All right, that. Not bad at all. Karl, great challenge, mate. Love doing this. Thanks very much for setting that up. Learned a lot as ever going through, learning as I'm going along. Am I happy with it? It's all right. It's pretty good. Am I happy with it in the time frame I gave myself? Yeah. You know, got a lot done in that space of time. I think it's a good prototype. One or two things I'd do differently, probably a little bit higher. Yeah, and make a bench as well, so it was like a 3-seater for future ones. But apart from that, yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, as ever, everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.